You guys are on video now.
Oh, yeah! We're soaking wet in the rain and we're about to go. Because kayaking is awesome, right? You're just feeling that you don't think. Well, that's the only how, like,
Alright, you got it? Do you feel comfortable? Ish?
Dad, I'll start doing it.
Okay.
That's Dad. Yeah. Oh, this is cold. Thanks, Dada. Where are you going? Okay.
And Jane,
I did not mean to do that. I'm just
back up.
That's what I'm doing. No, I'm actually. We are gonna sink in this thing, I think.
No, we're not. Oh, this is fun. Alright, let's stay close to the shore. Alright?
Wait, for your distance? Really? Help! We're gonna sink! We're gonna die!
Hi, Hannah! How you doing?
Can I die?
You cannot die. You have a life jacket on.
No, I started playing. Try!
You wanna row? No, I cannot. You're too far away. Okay. You gotta do it over my feet, Andrew. Andrew, you gotta go not sideways to the waves, either into them or with them. So we're getting rocked around here.
Yeah, 'cause I'm on
Andrew.
it.
Okay, hold on. I'm taking over.
I'm the guy that has to get all the water out with shit.
Alright. Hi, Hannah.
Baby. I think you're staying.
To the right, Andrew, to the right. Andrew, you're going left. You gotta go right.
I'm trying.
Whoa, bud. Don't do it that hard. You're gentle, there we go. A little too risky to get it in the water. Andrew, you are piling water into the boat. So it's raining a little harder now. Alright, I'm taking over. Are you ready to go in?
Yes.
You are? What if I start going this way?
Daddy!
What if I start heading out to the open water? What if we go all the way to the other side? I don't know if I can make it to the other side. That's a long ways away. So, Hannah, when we get to shore, go as fast as you can to beach it, alright?
Yeah.
Go as fast as you can to beach it. Alright?
And then I'll jump off in this one and pull Daddy up, and then when you come, I'll pull you guys.
Whoa, whoa, Andrew. That's a little too close. You're leaning a little too far. Alright, how about... Alright, steer for right here. Here, take this. You grab Hannah.